And Laura, what do you see? What supports individuals in doing this upgrade?
Hmm. I think it's a really complex question. I would have loved if the answer would be as simple as downloading something from a website. Being a digital native like me, I think most of us in our generation, like in my generation, we're so used to just being able to open a website, to Google something, and to one click and download. I think, unfortunately, it's a little bit more complex than that for human beings, but nevertheless, it's a similar process of upgrading. And I think what really supports it is basically a kind of transformative or initiatory process, that maybe starts when you're a teenager or a young adult, but it basically continues for the rest of your life, and that supports you to build more capacity for feeling, to build more structure for awareness and consciousness in everyday life, and to kind of increase your level of responsibility, of care, of creativity, and basically changes kind of your anchor points, to people, to reality, to knowledge, to yourself, and moves them in a way that they create a framework that's more supportive of you in your next expression, in your next stage, living your potential. And I think some key things for that are definitely learning to navigate the different aspects of what it means to be human that we've already mentioned, navigating your body, being in a way with it that you nurture it, that you treat it with care, that it really supports you. Also learning to navigate with your feelings and using the kind of energy that's in your feelings in order to give you information, to handle situations in your life, to heal emotional wounds. I think this is also part of the shift. It's also about redefining our relationship with our own thoughts and our own minds. To not be slaves of it, but to use them in a more intelligent and responsible way. And it's also what we've already touched upon, kind of like a new relationship with the universe, with the more subtle qualities, that allows you to get a better sense of your evolutionary purpose, your calling. And I think these are all different stages that need, transformative process for every individual to go through, that need kind of a supportive community or peer group that really helps you to grow in those ways. And ideally, at some point, a whole culture that's, embracing personal development, personal evolution, learning, expression, and growth, and really makes it as one of the core things of that culture, of that we. Because I think if the we is really embracing that kind of individual development and expression, it can really nurture the we to be also more powerful and more creative.